Everybody, today we are coming to make an authentic Ghanaian dish. Yes, I once showed it in my video and a lot of you are commenting about it. It's called Etor. Others also call it Etor. It's used during so many special occasions. We'll talk about it. Let's get straight into the ingredients for this delicious meal. So the ingredients used for this Etor is yam. Others also use plantain, locally called bayre. And then we have our palm oil, and red pepper. Red pepper, these very small ones. We also use garlic. Yes, garlic, very healthy. Onion, friend Jenny, and katse, groundnut. Yes, it's actually optional, so if you are allergic to it, like I know a lot of people are, you don't need to worry about this. Now to the most important thing for this dish is our earthenware bowl. Yes, locally called apotoiwa. Yes, with the grinder. When you the so let's get straight into the meal. So depending on the quantity you are making, you check the size of yam to cut. So I'm not making a lot. So this is what I'm cutting. Near sensing. That is, you peel the yam. This is kuna. There are a lot of yams in Ghana. We have a lot of yams in Ghana. I know in Sio Bayre, Punjo, kuna. A whole lot. If you know any other yam that I've not mentioned, let me know. So some special occasions for which Etor is made is the Twin Festival of the Ghans. Yes, the Ghans make Etor with a lot of eggs during the Twin Festival. And also in some homes, people choose to make Etor to celebrate certain occasions or for certain milestones. Yes, and they choose to eat a whole egg. It's one of those things. So Etor is not a common meal like that. I mean, so we'll wash the yam now. Then we'll come and slice this into pieces, place it in the saucepan, and we boil it. So now our yam is on fire, ready to boil. We sprinkle a little bit of salt. Let's do that now. So I'm adding the pepper. The pepper is inside, and then the garlic. Add the onion and grind. By now, I'm pretty sure we know that we need to wash our vegetables, so I don't need to mention that. Yes, these are all well washed. Depending on the quantity you are making, you check the vegetables to use. So this is a small portion. Yeah, cream. And this is I'm using Jenny back. And no can't try me using it here. Meko 5. And you can leave it. Mumbra. So the palm oil is on fire. Now we add the momo, like some form of rotten fish. It smells a lot, but it gives a lot of taste to most of our Ghanaian delicacies. Yes, it's called momone. So that's in there. We leave it to fry a bit. Add our onions, sliced onions. Let me show you that. Sliced onions like this, and then we add that. this is how our yam turned out. Sometimes you get yam that is looking very beautiful. Sometimes you are not all that lucky and you have to manage. You don't grind it like you are grinding onion. You just press it down. So while you are pressing it down, now with the ongo and go palm oil, we call it engo, with a sliced onion. Now with the gum. Say make sure that all the yam has all the palm oil has settled around the yam. You don't see white, you don't see your pepper. Everything is well blended and the texture is good. So I didn't show you, I added eggs, boiled eggs to it. It means the food is ready. So I'm now adding my boiled eggs. Yes. You place it nicely on it. This is how it is. You place it nicely. And then my ground nuts. My ground nuts. Over here, I don't know if it's Ghana or it's a thing, but when food is ready, you dance. So I'm going to dance for you all, right? So our meal is ready. Our special Etor is ready. Yes. So another thing I also forgot to tell you is that some people prepare this with ripe plantain. Very delicious, very sweet. So I'm about to enjoy. Make sure to like and subscribe. Let me know what you think about the video, our meal, my cooking skills, my dancing skills. Make sure you guys appreciate that in the comments because I tried. And let me know what you think about the video. Let me also know if you prepare yours differently at home. Let's just interact in the comment section. Make sure to subscribe. See you in my next video. Bye.